Hello, how is everybody doing today? I am here to share. This is my, this is a special like a Valentine's themed kit that Simon Says a Stamp had. And I don't know if it's still available, but it might be. If I remember, I'll put a link down below for it. But in the kit, there came these little itty bitty envelopes. And there's one, two, three in red. And there's three little ones in this light pink for just some little mini cards. So there's three red and three pink. And then there's these little itty bitty cards that you can put make sentiments on and put them in the little eeny meeny envelopes. And then we have here three itty bitty white envelopes, the same as the red and the pink, and then three of them in cream color. And there were two of them, two envelopes with this clear window on them. So there's two of those. And there's a little package of 10 treat bags for Valentine's to decorate for your snail mail or for your projects. Get the little envelopes out, all of them. Then there was these mini love notes, and these are real tiny. And they have these little notes on the side that you can put in the envelopes. And there's 12 reversible envelopes, 4 styles, 3 of each, 9 reversible letters, blank on the back, and 9 hearts for your little mini card. And then they had in here one of these big envelopes, I guess in case you're wanting to make a really big card. You have one of these pink envelopes that you can seal up and send. Then they had one of these big square envelopes that you could mail out. And I don't like to send these square ones out like this because these, when they're outside of the regular shape, the post office does charge extra for mailing these. And of course, if you make them bulky and everything, then there's extra charges there for sending those out as well. And that's all that came as far as envelopes was concerned. Then there came these brads, which are gold and red, and they have little hearts on the ends. And there's 50 of those. Then there this glittery Marquee Love washi. There was a white jelly roll pen in there to add interest to the to your projects with some white. And then there was this striped gross grain ribbon, and I don't know how much there is of this. There's 2 yards of it in there, pink, red, and white. Then there are these shape sprinkles from Doodlebugs as well, and these are the 2 that came in like breakfast and fast food. These are super cute. Then you got half of the paper pad here for projects, and this is from the I don't know who makes this. There's not a paper in here to say, to give all the details of it. I would have to go to the website, and I don't want to do that right now. I have gone there, but I don't recall who the paper pad is by. And then there's these rub-on transfers, and those are like that. And it says sweetheart in the bottom. And then there's this big sheet of, and it does open up, and I just don't remember how. There it is. Of stickers. These are so cute, so cute, so cute. And I do make Valentine related cards or love related projects at least until the end of February. And even after that, as long as, of course, not wouldn't say Happy Valentine's or anything like that, but anything that has a love theme or a heart or something like that is game for my friend mail, for my snail mail at any time in the year. If I want to tell someone that I care about them or that I love them or that I'm thinking about them, etc. And then there's this cute little stamp set that it looks like it has a lot of doodlebug elements in it. So this is what that looks like. It's super cute. Color, bright red and just not white. I think it's probably, oops, my camera is not focusing. There we go. A Nina Solar white, probably. Anyhow, so that is what came in the kit. And I will start to make projects out of this real soon because I love it. I think it's just adorable, and I want to go ahead and use it and send all these, especially the ones that have to do with Valentine's. I'll make those first, and anything else I want to send with the love theme, then I'll do that at a later time. Anyway, that is all that I have for today. You all have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll be seeing you around next time in my next video. Bye now.